What's good, you guys? It's me here. Today is December 31st, so it's New Year's Eve. I'm headed to work. I haven't been to work in over a week because I caught the COVID, y'all. Yeah. I actually caught COVID before I went back home for the holidays. And yeah, I did my due diligence and quarantined. And now I'm on the way back to work. I'm reluctantly deciding to go out tonight. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm also getting my makeup done today. I'm going to be a model for this girl from Instagram. So I'm really excited about that. I don't think I've ever had my makeup professionally done. I've always just done my makeup. So I'm really excited about having like someone else do my makeup. So yeah, I'm on the way to the train right now to get into the city to work. I get off early today. I'm pretty sure my boss said we only have to work a half a day today. So I think I get out at 1. And then I'm gonna have my makeup done at 3. And then that's when the party starts. So I'll see you guys later. Streets are pretty empty today. And I'm so excited I get off at 12:30. So I was gonna go get my feet done before this makeup appointment, but she said 30 minutes. That would be 2:30. That would only give them 30 minutes to do my makeup. To do my toes. So they put so much sugar in this shit. Oh my god. Ew. This coffee is disgusting. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait until my makeup appointment, and then maybe I'll get my toes done. I'll probably get my toes done in my neighborhood in that case, just because I know how they do. So what's the update? We're in Biggie's neighborhood right now. Check the artwork. St. James Place. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Okay, guys, so this is the makeup. I think it's pretty cute. I think it's gonna look really good once I have like my whole outfit and everything on. I still have no idea what I want to do to my hair, so we need to think about that, but I think it looks pretty cute. It's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna rake these curls out, but this is what we're giving, honey. It's giving New Year. New me teeth, honey. The fits. I wish y'all could see the boots. The boots is about to kill these bitches, okay? So guys, look at the eyes, the face. This is the first time I ever got my makeup done. Shout out to Fee. She killed this shit. Like, I love it. Highlight. It's giving. And when I brush these curls out, it's over for you whores. Okay, it's over. So we're giving aughts black girl, alt black girl fantasy. The boot, it's the boot for me. It's really the boot for me. Yes, honey, 2022, I'm making you my bitch. The boots are Amazon. Skirt is rainbow, top is rainbow. The undershirt, I cut it and customized it, but it's Fashion Nova. Jewelry, rainbow. This is just like my necklace that I always wear. Hot Topic, Hot Topic, Hot Topic. Face brought to you by Fee. Definitely gonna tag her. And yeah, we're giving, honey. Wait till I comb the curls. I'm gonna comb the curls out. We're gonna comb the curls out, but this is the fit, honey. Oh, can't forget corny ass sunglasses. Cause it's 2022, bitches. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. This is exactly why I don't like to wear my real hair. Like, I didn't even touch my hair. Look at this. Do you see that? That's not cute. How do the girls do the real hair thing all the time? What's good, you guys? So, I almost forgot to vlog, child. But my hair, I like my hair now. I had it a little different at first. But I like it way better like this. What do you guys think? Look at my TikTok for the fit deets. We're giving all girl today. This is about to be my new style, guys. Semi, like more dark. We're gonna give way more dark looks. But this makeup is so cute. Like, I can't believe I got my makeup done professionally. It's a vibe. It's very relaxing. It's literally almost like a fucking a massage. Like how you feel in a massage when you're just relaxing. You know, I'm a chatter, so I was chatting a little bit. They had nice music. It was girls in there that did waxes, lashes, all the things. It was like a little beauty parlor. It was cute, but yeah, y'all. I just had to check in. Hopefully I check in again. Y'all know how I be vlogging when I be drinking, but I'll see you guys in a bit, hopefully. Oh, my nails is Glamnetics. Cute, right? Glamnetics. Use my code. Per.
7, 6,